Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite topics, solo travel. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or planning your very first trip alone, this video is packed with tips to help you feel confident, prepared, and excited to hit the road by yourself. Let's get started. First things first, why solo travel? Well, it's one of the most rewarding experiences you can give yourself. You get to explore on your own terms, learn more about who you are, and step out of your comfort zone. But I get it. That first trip can feel a little intimidating. That's why I've put together my top tips to make your solo journey as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Tip number one, start small. If you're nervous about traveling alone, ease into it. Take a day trip to a nearby city or try dining out by yourself. These small steps will help you build confidence and get used to being your own travel buddy. Tip number two, pack light. When you're traveling solo, you're the one carrying everything. Trust me, you don't want to be lugging around a heavy suitcase. Stick to the essentials: versatile clothing, a good pair of shoes, and of course, snacks. Because let's be real, no one wants to share their snacks anyway. Tip number three, choose the right gear. A reliable backpack is a must. I love the Osprey Farpoint. It's lightweight, durable, and perfect for one-bag travel. And don't forget a small lock for added security, especially if you're staying in hostels or using public transport. Tip number four, plan, but leave room for spontaneity. Research your destination ahead of time. Mark restaurants, attractions, and activities on Google Maps. But don't overschedule. Some of the best travel moments happen when you wander off the beaten path. Tip number five, get travel insurance. It's one of those things you hope you'll never need, but trust me, it's worth it. Whether it's a missed flight, a lost bag, or an unexpected illness, travel insurance can save you a lot of stress and money. Tip number six, embrace the solo photo struggle. If you want those Instagram-worthy shots, bring a tripod or a selfie stick. Sure, you might look like a tourist, but who cares? You'll have amazing photos to remember your trip by. Tip number seven, talk to people. One of the best parts of solo travel is meeting new people. Strike up a conversation with locals, other travelers, or even your Airbnb host. You'll get insider tips and maybe even make a new friend. Tip number eight, don't be afraid to take a break. Traveling alone means you're in charge of your own pace. If you need a night in to recharge, do it. Order takeout, read a book, and enjoy some quiet time. It's your trip after all. Tip number nine, stay safe and trust your instincts. Use common sense. Avoid sketchy areas. Keep your belongings secure and always let someone know where you are. And if something doesn't feel right, don't do it. Your safety comes first. Tip number 10, embrace the unexpected. Things won't always go as planned, and that's okay. Missed a train? Restaurant closed? Laugh it off and roll with it. Solo travel is all about growth, and sometimes the best stories come from the unplanned moments. So there you have it, my top 10 tips for solo travel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, happy travels!